Did you know that in the 16th century, broccoli was believed to be a magical vegetable that could cure all ailments? This captivating myth originated in Italy, where the humble broccoli was regarded with awe and reverence. This legendary status sparked a curiosity that rippled through the ages, leading to extensive research into the health benefits of this green powerhouse. While we now know broccoli isn't magical, it indeed holds numerous health benefits which are backed by science. Fast forward to the 21st century and broccoli is still a health champion, just without the magical tag. The Romans, as far back as the 6th century BC, were one of the first civilizations to recognize the health benefits of this green veggie. They believed broccoli could cure a variety of ailments, from digestive issues to skin problems. Even Thomas Jefferson, the third president of the United States, cultivated broccoli in his garden, intrigued by its health claims. Fast forward to the Middle Ages, and broccoli was a staple in the Italian diet, praised for its nutritional content. It was believed to aid in overall vitality and was often used in traditional remedies. As we leap into the 19th century, broccoli started to gain popularity outside of Italy, making its way to the United Kingdom and the United States. The health claims followed suit, and the green wonder was lauded for its high vitamin content and potential cancer-fighting properties. Now in the 21st century, science has backed up these age-old claims. Modern research has shown that broccoli is indeed a nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins C, K, and A, as well as fiber and potassium. It's been linked to improved digestive health, better heart health, and even protection against certain types of cancer. So, while broccoli might not have magical healing powers, it was, and still is, a nutritional powerhouse. Now, let's delve into what modern scientific research says about broccoli. This humble green veggie might not look like much, but it's a powerhouse of nutrition, hiding a wealth of health benefits in its leafy greens. Recent studies have shed light on broccoli's potential in preventing certain types of cancer. Scientists have found that broccoli is rich in compounds called glucosinolates, which your body converts into cancer-fighting substances. It's almost like having a little army of health warriors right in your dinner plate. In addition to its cancer-fighting capabilities, broccoli has been shown to be a boon for digestive health. It's packed with fiber, which aids in digestion, prevents constipation, maintains low blood sugar, and curbs overeating. So, if you're looking to keep your digestive system running smoothly, broccoli could be your best friend. But that's not all. Broccoli is also a champion for the immune system. It's brimming with vitamin C, which is known to boost immunity, and contains a variety of antioxidants that help defend your body against harmful free radicals. And if you're worried about inflammation, broccoli has you covered there too. It's rich in sulforaphane, a compound that has been shown to have potent anti-inflammatory effects. So whether it's warding off cancer, aiding digestion, bolstering your immune system, or fighting inflammation, broccoli seems to do it all. Evidently, broccoli is more than just a green veggie on your plate, it's a bundle of health benefits. You might be wondering, how can I incorporate more broccoli into my diet? Well, friends, fear not. There are countless ways to increase broccoli consumption without feeling like you're eating rabbit food. A great start is to sneak broccoli into your favorite meals. Adding finely chopped broccoli into your morning omelet or green smoothie can be a seamless way to up your intake. You can also use broccoli in your salads, soups, or as a side dish to your main course. For snack lovers, roasted broccoli makes a crunchy and delicious treat. Just drizzle some olive oil, sprinkle a little sea salt, and roast it until it's crispy. And let's not forget about broccoli rice, a healthy and versatile alternative to regular rice. You can use it in stir-fries, casseroles, or even sushi. Remember, the key to reaping broccoli's health benefits is regular consumption and variety. Variety not only keeps your meals exciting, but also ensures a broad spectrum of nutrients. There you have it, the healing wonders of broccoli. We've journeyed from its mythical origins to its age-old status as a health champion. We've unveiled modern scientific findings that validate its benefits, and shared practical ways to incorporate this green powerhouse into your diet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. And if you enjoyed learning about the healing wonders of broccoli, show your love by liking and sharing this video. Until next time, stay healthy.